Welcome today in front of me NOKIA G60, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing. After that, tap here to open, click yes I agree, pick close, on the left down corner tap to OK, and after that we can see here information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 29 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, model of our smartphone, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.